Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on login helps. Today we're going to be teaching you how to create a GlobePay account online. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is open your preferred browser, and then on the search box of this browser, go ahead and type GlobePay. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the first link, which is GlobePay Home. This will redirect you to the home page of GlobePay. Now you'll be able to see open a free account now button. Go ahead and click on it. This will redirect you to a different website where you'll be able to register for a new account. The first thing you're going to do is select your country. Go ahead and click on the drop down and select the country from your list. Once you've done that, select the type of account that you'd like to create, either individual account or business account, and click on continue. Now go ahead and enter your email address. Now create a secure password for your account. You will need to follow the criteria that are provided to you and go ahead and create your password. Now go ahead and retype your password to confirm your password. Once you've done that, enter a master key. Now a master key is a 4-digit key that you'll have to enter along with your password and your email to be able to log into your account. Go ahead and create that key. Now click on next. Now you'll be required to fill out your personal details. Go ahead and fill out this form. Fill out your first name, your surname, your date of birth, your mobile number, and click on next. Once you click on next, you'll be requested to verify your email address. For that, a link will be sent to the email that you've set in your GlobePay information, and you'll simply have to click on it to confirm your account. Once you've done that and accepted the terms and conditions, completed your profile, and linked your bank account, your GlobePay account will be created successfully. All you have to do is follow the prompts that are provided to you on this page and click on next with every step you complete. Once you've done that, your account will be successfully created, and this is how you can create a GlobePay account online. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.